Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. The KTM 690, it's amazing bike from the shelf, and we like it a lot because of its universality. But we prepared several aftermarket parts for this new facelifted 690 to make it even more convenient for the adventure riding and hobby-ready riding. Let me speak about already the 5th generation of the fairing kit from RADE Garage for the KTM 690. It's nothing from the shelf. It was designed completely from the scratch to match the size and design of the KTM 690. The main benefits of the fairing are great wind protection, strong LED headlights, and the space for navigation. The main differentiator is the carbon tower. We used all our previous experiences from the local rallies, Rally Dakar, to design it in a way that is stiff, stable, but it has also a certain amount of flexibility that it can absorb the vibrations and shocks when riding the hard terrain. And on top of that, we made it as light as possible. It has only half kg, which improves the handling of the motorbike. The carbon tower is made from prep under high pressure and temperature in autoclave. Actually the same manufacturing technology as is used in aviation, Formula 1 or on factory ready bikes. To get the best combination of stiffness, flexibility and low weight, we use variable amount of layers. The base are 3 carbon layers, but wherever you see the holes, we further reinforce this area. And the area where you connect the tower to the motorbike, we use 8 layers of carbon. And on top of that, these holes are further reinforced by stainless steel metal inserts. We fully trust the quality and durability of the RG carbon tower, so we give you the lifetime warranty. Even if you have bad luck, you crash, you destroy the tower, we will change it for you like this. The safety feature of the RG fairing kit are the strong LED headlights, the low beam and the high beam. They have together the input of 70 watts and 6000 lumens. And we get this great performance because of true glass optics and the high-end Cree chipset. The headlights are ECE certified. It means they are road legal across all the Europe, and you will get the copy of the certificate together with the fairing kit. When designing the fairing kit, the durability and endurance were very important parameter for us. So we tried to select the materials and design it in a way that it is as much crash-proof as possible. The windshield as well as the side panels are made from Lexan, which is pretty flexible and durable material that is hard to crack and destroy. The windshield holders sit on the silent blocks, so they can reduce the vibrations and also some of the hits when riding the hard terrain. In the end, the fairing kit is very stable even in riding hard terrain, but on the other hand, it has certain portion of flexibility to absorb some of your crashes and increase the chance you come home in one piece. As we ride on the motorbikes ourselves a lot, we know how important it is to have a space for navigation in a good viewpoint. That's why the fairing kit comes with a white crossbar that sits on the silent blocks that reduce the micro vibrations going into your navigation device. To simplify the installation of your navigation device to the crossbar, you will get from us a platform, so-called Garmin adapter, that enables you to mount your navigation in horizontal or 2 vertical positions, and also set up the angle to ensure your navigation is always in the best viewpoint. Here you can clearly see in the RG cockpit is enough space for even 8 inches tablet or navigation next to the cell phone. And one more benefit, within the RG kit is included the adapter for the Scotch damper. So if you already have it, you simply fit it there and bolt on. And you have improved handling in stocks, mud or sandy terrain. In summary, with the RG fairing kit, You should feel more protected and comfortable on the road transfers, more safe when riding at night, and never get lost having the navigation under your nose. And all that wrapped in very attractive RADE design. So if you like it, please order on our eShop.